Let's go over Mrs. Davies in room 205. She's been experiencing intermittent abdominal discomfort, along with some nausea. We initially suspected gastritis, but her endoscopy was inconclusive. Her blood work came back showing slightly elevated inflammatory markers. Nothing alarming, but enough to keep us vigilant. Dr. Mihira, could it be related to her recent antibiotic course for the UTI? Sometimes that causes gut issues.
Good point, David, but she finished that course a week ago, and these symptoms have only intensified over the past 2 days. We also considered irritable bowel syndrome given her history, but her pain description doesn't quite fit the pattern. The key here, and what's changed in her presentation, is the new onset of right upper quadrant tenderness upon palpation, which she didn't have before. This, coupled with a subtle yellowish tinge to her scara we've observed this morning, strongly suggests a potential hepatobiliary involvement. We need to schedule an urgent abdominal ultrasound to investigate further. That's our priority now.
So, ultrasound for liver and gallbladder.
And continue monitoring her pain and vital signs closely. Keep me updated on any changes. understand that you're looking for a gentle and detailed way to care for your hair, Mihira. Think of this not as a strict set of rules, but as a way to nurture your hair with kindness. The goal is to build a routine that minimizes damage and allows your hair's natural strength and beauty to shine through. It all begins in the shower with a mild, gentle shampoo that cleanses without stripping your hair of its essential natural oils. After washing, how you handle your wet hair is crucial, as it is most vulnerable to damage at this time. Instead of rubbing it harshly with a towel, gently squeeze out the excess water and allow it to air dry whenever you can. When dealing with tangles, always reach for a wide-tooth comb, starting from the ends and working your way up slowly to the roots. This patient approach will significantly minimize breakage and stress on the hair strands. It is also wise to be mindful of the styles you choose, avoiding consistently tight ponytails or braids that can constantly pull and weaken the hair at the roots. Furthermore, while styling tools like straighteners and curling irons can be tempting, limiting their use is one of the most compassionate things you can do for your hair, as high heat can be very damaging over time. Similarly, while brushing is important, overbrushing, especially when the hair is dry, can lead to unnecessary friction and breakage. By integrating these gentle strategies, you are creating a foundation of care that allows your hair to thrive.